Hey, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. Looking for a pickup? It's a clean, low mileage one right here. This is the 2011, the Ford F-150. Stock number is T19802A. Let's take you on a virtual video walk around. What a gorgeous day. As you can tell, and what a gorgeous truck. No dings, no dents, no scratches on the exterior. And we're going to make our way around the truck. We're going to show you the driver's side exterior, then put you in the rear cab and the front cab. This truck has had a 150-point vehicle inspection completed on it. It's for peace of mind driving. Of course, it is a 4x4 with ABS braking system. It does have a Carfax clean history report. Lots of ample legroom, of course, in the rear, and then puts you in the driver's seat. As you can see, the interior is absolutely flawless and low miles to boot. For more information on warranty protection for life on this truck or any others in our inventory, it's a huge selection. Hey, either give us a call, text us, email us, better yet, come on down. We'd like to meet you in person, better yet, hopefully earn your business. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day.
Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.